Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have a cockatiel at home. I dedicate this part of Try Not to Laugh to my dear bird. It's Try Not to Laugh and let's go. Oh, it's sweet man. I love birds.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
What are you doing? Oh, it's fake. I got it. Oh. This thing is fake too, man. Feel right. Oh my gosh.
Okay, Bashin, enough. Stop terrorizing your brother. You choose which one, please. Stop. Stop, come back. You found a new one.
Stop, man.
Get this shit off me!
Oh. Can't believe it, man. It's beautiful. What is it doing, man? It's scary. Wow.
You what?
Oh, wow. It's a... Wow. He's angry, man. Come on. Leave it alone. Oh my gosh. No.
You naughty. You teasing me.
Why?
Who's going for a ride?
Oh, another free ride, man.
He loves going for rides.
Wow. Well, let's see. Come on.
What a happy bird. Yay, more.
My gosh. Come on, it's beautiful.
Oh, you went a little bit too quick around the corner. Okay. Hold it still, you might hop back on. Climb up.
Wow.
Back on.
I'll show you. You want to get back on? Get on the throne.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Ow, it's huge.
Okay, we're not going to chew up the dustpan. Let's take that off.
Why did you even put it? Oh, yeah.
I was about to put the broom away.
Wow.
That's fair.
Okay. Don't go fast now.
Yeah.
Bye, Dee Dee. Oops. Climb on.
Oops.
Climb on. There you go.
I wasn't going fast.
He's ready.
You know, it's not a dirty Try Not to Laugh.
Good boy.
It's a clean Try Not to Laugh, man. I love this episode.
When did you realize you liked this?
When I tried to sweep and he kept climbing on it.
It's fun.
And then were you like pulling it?
Mhm.
And then he was like on it?
Going for a ride. Here, let Mama take you
My
for a ride now.
gosh. Look at that.
I'll do the camera. I'll do
I'm
it.
going to hold it like this. Oops. We lost our passenger.
Wow.
Go crazy! Ah! Go stupid! Ah!
It's perfect, man. What is it doing? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah, man, it's fun.
Yeah, boy, out, man.
It's a baby.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah. Wow. It's the funniest video I have been recorded, man. It's fun and I love it. Well guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you later.